The cart function. The cart function is a handy tool for keeping yourself organized when you are searching the library collection at the French Cultural Center. Each time you search, you can add items to the cart from the search results, and then you can move on to do another search. This allows you to build a list of items that you can examine more closely later. Let's illustrate with a search for works related to French architecture. We'll do 3 separate searches for items related to cathedrals, to chateaux, and to architecture generally. In each case, we are going to do an advanced search so that we can limit the search to adult nonfiction. We begin by going to the advanced search page. We specify that we want to search by subject. We type in our search term, cathedral. Then we specify the collection, adult nonfiction, and we run our search. We have 4 results. Let's look closely at the first result. The very last line of each listing indicates that we can take 2 actions. We can place the item on hold at the library so that we can pick it up later, or, as we are going to do in this case, we can add the item to our cart. As soon as we click on Add to Cart, a new option to remove the item from the cart appears here, in case you change your mind. On the cart button itself, we see an indication of 1 item in the cart. Whenever we add an item, the number will increase. We return to the advanced search page to do our second search. We enter Chateau as the subject of the search, which we again limit to adult nonfiction, and then we run the search. Let's add a couple of these items to the cart. We return one last time to the advanced search page to do our third search for architecture. We run that search, and we'll add a couple of those items to the cart as well. There are now 6 items in the cart. When we click on the cart button, a new window opens that shows a summary of the items that we have put in the cart. The menu at the top of the new page gives you tools that allow you to do any of the following: show more details about each item, email your list to yourself or to someone else, download the list as a document that you can save, send the list to your printer, empty the list and close the window, or simply close the window while keeping the list in your cart. If you click on the box next to one of the items, you can either remove the item from the cart, or you can place it on hold so that you can pick it up later. By the way, you do not need to log in to use the cart function and most of its tools. However, for 2 of the functions, the send and place on hold tools, you do need to be logged in. Keep in mind that the cart does not store your information between browser sessions. When you close your browser, the contents of the cart will disappear. So if you want to keep the information, make sure that you use one of the tools to send, download, or print it before you exit.